Okay, welcome to the vlog. This is entry number 23, and we're gonna get started with what my last trade was. And I had gotten in on the 19th, got completely out on the 24th, made about 195. Now I just got out yesterday, so I closed this trade that I just opened on the 27th, and it had moved up sharply, and I made $240. I was hoping to make close to $100 more, which would have been the halfway point, but when it just jumps up, I don't want it to rebound back down. We'll see if it does that today in the market, but I wanted to take my profits since it just was 2 days and it just moved up really nicely. So another way to just get ahead, keep taking your profits. So we're going to keep rolling it in and we'll see how it does. If it spikes down, I might get back in. We'll just see. And to learn my method that I've been trading with, check it out on Udemy. For watching every trade and every price point, check me out on Patreon. The lowest tier still has 8 spots left. And as always, don't look for a fair fight.